wind, carrying the salty tang of the nearby Wadden Sea, whispered through the tall grasses that bordered the small brick house. Built in the 1960s, a sturdy testament to the post-war era in East Frisia, it stood as a former farm worker's dwelling, its simple form a familiar sight across the northern German landscape. The main house, accompanied by a modest barn, was a product of standardized planning, an answer to the pressing need for widespread housing in a nation rebuilding. Constructed with the honest materials of the region, the warm hue of red brick laid by local hands, it embodied a practicality and self-sufficiency that defined a generation. These homes, unpretentious and functional, quietly shaped the cultural identity of the area, dotting the countryside with their unassuming presence. Years passed, and the unyielding march of time brought with it the urge for modernization. When we first encountered this particular house in 2020, the earnest simplicity of its origins had been somewhat obscured. Plastic roof extensions jutted out inelegantly, harsh shutters clashed with the soft brick, and painted windows masked the original character of the craftsmanship. The intention had been to transform this unassuming structure into a weekend escape, a place of respite from the demands of modern life. Yet, as we stood before it, a different vision began to take root, one that honored the quiet dignity of its past. Instead of embarking on a radical overhaul, we felt a compelling urge to peel back the layers of contemporary alteration and rediscover the inherent beauty of its modest exterior. We recognized the subtle language of the local artisans who had painstakingly laid each brick and crafted the original details. Our approach became one of preservation, a gentle uncovering of the house's authentic soul. We resolved to work in harmony with the existing structure, highlighting the understated craftsmanship that spoke of a different time. Collaborating closely with skilled local artisans became the cornerstone of our endeavor. Together, we embarked on a journey of restoration, carefully peeling away the incongruous additions. The fine detailing of the roof, a testament to the original builder's attention, became a focal point of our subtle approach. We sought not to impose a new identity but to gently coax the house back to its original, unadorned beauty, allowing its inherent character to shine through once more. Today, the farm worker's house stands in quiet harmony with its surroundings. Nestled amidst the patchwork of fields and meadows, it blends seamlessly into the landscape, a natural extension of the terrain that stretches towards the protective dike of the Wadden Sea National Park. The once jarring additions have been replaced by a respectful restoration, allowing the simple elegance of the brickwork and the clean lines of the original design to breathe. Stepping inside, one finds a continuation of this minimalist ethos. The interior spaces are bathed in a soft, natural light, reflecting off the whitewashed plaster walls. The warmth of oiled pine wood creates a sense of understated comfort, while carefully selected vintage furniture from the 60s and 70s echoes the house's original era without resorting to pastiche. The atmosphere is one of calm simplicity, a deliberate departure from the clutter and noise of modern life. Inspired by the essence of this quiet transformation, we conceived of a small wall cabinet. It embodies the spirit of the house itself, a compact form holding a wealth of understated beauty and quiet functionality. Like the farmworker's house, this small creation is a treasure chest of simple elegance, a tangible reminder of the beauty that can be found in honoring the past and celebrating the subtle artistry of a bygone era.